Hi everybody, today I show you something. This I just bought and this smells very good. I like it. I will unwrap this so you can see inside. Yeah, here we go. See. Yep, Olay soft. This smells very good. I like it. Okay, yeah, let's see the back. Yeah, how it's applied outside. This is they have a six bars in how this one, 1, 2, 3. It's for around, yeah, you can see it. Okay, and this outside you can see, yeah, and all the information here in clearance. Question 1-800 blah blah blah. Okay, that's it smells very good. Inside here there's 6 bars, each is 4 ounces. That's 113 grams. The total of this package is 678 grams, and that's around 1.49 pounds. Okay, let's then here let's say 10x more moistures less dehydrate right here. I will show you later after I open. Okay, let's open it. It smells very good. Actually. And here. Purifying birch water and lavender tea. It smells very good. But we need oven inside so you can see how this look like inside. It's so moist. And a box. It smells very good. I have to go to wash my hand. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video.